I'm Ryan with Drapela Works, and we're on a mission to reignite the American dream with gifts that make an impact. We believe that anything that could be made in America should be made in America. Now, with that being said, let me introduce you to the Drapela Works version of the Charcuterie board. Now, this charcuterie board, like all Drapela Works products, comes in as a raw piece of lumber and then exits our facility as a finished product. Now, these charcuterie boards are made from red oak. The red oak is sourced from a third-generation sawmill in southern Illinois, and they actually get their wood, their lumber, from western Tennessee on the west side of the Appalachian Mountains. So at Drapela Works, it is a big deal to us to be made in America. So this holds true for our charcuterie boards. Everything you see is, once again, is sourced and made in America. As you can see, we have two different sizes. You have the large and the small. The large is 11 inches by 22 inches, or roughly a foot by 2 foot. And the small is 8.5 inches by 16 inches. As you can see, the small has one handle, the large is a little heavier, and so we decided to put two handles on it. We have 4 different options available for this center part right here, where you can put whatever you would like to have engraved into the center. The engraving process is done with our laser, and it's actually etched deep into the wood, so it'll be on there and it'll last forever. It's actually fully reversible if you wanted to use this side as a big cutting board. Each board is gonna have our seal of approval as well, and you know it's Drapela Works because it has our brand. Any Drapela Works product, you can run your hand over it anywhere on the product and you're never gonna get a splinter, and we take a lot of pride in finishing our products and sanding them the correct way and putting a lot of time into the finish of the product. This is finished with a food grade mineral oil, so it's ready to go. It's not gonna hurt your guest, and you can put whatever you want on it. Thank you for supporting Drapela Works, and stay tuned for more gifts that'll make an impact.